Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to give your Power BI reports a fresh, professional look, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to change the canvas background color in Power BI Desktop. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to set a background that's not only easy on the eyes, but also perfectly tailored to your brand or presentation style. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your report in Power BI Desktop. Make sure you're in the file you want to edit with all your visuals loaded up. This might sound obvious, but it's a good reminder. Sometimes we accidentally have the wrong window open or we're on the wrong tab. So double check you're in the right place before you get started. Now here's a quick tip. Before you start making changes, you need to make sure you're not selecting any visuals or objects. Just click anywhere blank on the canvas, outside of any charts, cards, or tables. The reason for this is that if you have a visual selected, any background color changes you make will only apply to that visual, not the overall canvas. You want to make sure you're choosing the canvas itself, so your background change will apply to the entire page. Once you've clicked away from any visuals, head over to the Visualizations pane. Look for the format icon. It looks just like a little paint roller. Click on it and then you'll see a variety of formatting options appear on the right. Here you'll want to find and expand the canvas settings section. This might be collapsed by default, so just click the little arrow to open it up. Within canvas settings, you'll see a background option. This is where the magic happens. Click on the color box and Power BI will give you a choice of preset colors. You can choose something simple like light gray, which is actually a popular pick. For instance, try setting it to F4 for a gentle, soft dashboard look that's easier on the eyes than bright white, especially during long work sessions or presentations. Or if you're building a report for your company, you can pop in your brand's exact hex code for a consistent, corporate look that ties your data story together. You'll also notice there's a transparency slider just underneath the color selector. This setting lets you control how solid or see-through the background is. Drag it to 0% if you want a solid, opaque background. This is perfect for focusing attention on your visuals. Or if you want your canvas to partially reveal a custom design or background image behind it, increase the transparency toward 100%. Don't worry if you're not sure exactly what transparency percentage to use. Power BI updates your report live, so you can play around and see exactly how it looks before committing. Let's pause for a second. If everything still looks the same, double check that you really have the canvas selected, not a visual. This is a common spot where folks feel stuck, so don't worry, just click away from your visuals and try again. And that's it, you've just customized your report's background. This small tweak can do wonders for the overall feel of your dashboard, whether you're aiming for a cleaner look, a branded feel, or just something that's easier to read. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this Power BI tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI and data visualization tips each week. See you in the next one.